Good evening, everyone, and I thank all dignitaries, honorable speakers and guests, and all the delegates who have made it to this conference. And first, before I proceed further, we had this Ukraine flight crash and we lost 127 people. And one of the fellow homeopath who was supposed to make to this conference, we lost her. And that is Martin's friend's niece. So I wanted to make a humble request. Everyone stand up for silent for a minute for those victims. May their souls rest in peace. Thank you. To create waves of awareness for homeoprophylaxis worldwide. 2018, first international homeoprophylaxis was conducted. We did in India at New Delhi, and this was from here, and this is okay. This is about myself, which Dr. Deepthi has. Presidency of Kavita Holistic Approach and Presidency of Homeopathy World Community. I am from USA, and everyone has said so well about everything. And today I will speak a little bit about homeoprophylaxis in USA, the practice and code of ethics. And we know homeopathy is used for over 200 years to prevent an infectious disease. And we are treating, the way we use the word in USA is like treating a vital force. Treating the individual and not the disease, and HP boosts the children's immune system, and it is safe, non-toxic, self-administered and easy for parents to give to the children. And for this, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. And homeoprophylaxis we can be given like individual remedies and for the diseases, and either it can be the nose root like measles, pulsatilla mostly, and phosphorus, hepatitis A, typhoid, bacterium, and severe. All this has been already told by several people, and just wanted to let you know that few things like rotavirus, typhoid, and they are very, very effective and seen good results. As far as the code of ethics and the rights in USA, the one thing is right to privacy and right to assemble privately through 1st and 14th amendments of US Constitution and equivalent provisions of various state constitutions. That's how we try to practice homeopathy. And we have the state health freedom laws in certain states, and so no source as far as this one homeoprophylaxis, they are considered as legend drugs and they are exception to the health freedom laws and the consumer rights to access the healthcare of the choice, so which really helps them to get this access. And as a waiver document, whenever we are enrolling the child to the homeoprophylaxis, we take the document, and there are state laws with an exceptions like medical, religious and spiritual exemptions. That way we can help them with this. And this code of ethics were there in Council for Homeopathic Certification. Like, see, though I am a doctor from India, I never use, I'm not a medical doctor in USA, so I just use Kavita Kugner. But my clients, and I have this as a not a medical doctor, but still they can call me as a doctor. It's up to them. But as far as this, we have to get this consent. And using the words like practice of medicine and like instead of using the patient, we use the client. So just prescription, diagnosis, all those words we are not supposed to use. So all these ethics like NIH ethics regarding the research and the NASH, North American Society of Homeopathy, all we have those ethics which we follow when we are practicing homeopathy and homeoprophylaxis safely. And as far as general immunity is boosted, but few clients, they are getting benefited with raised blood titers when tested through HB. That is a good point. And also like measles or hepatitis B, when they are given in potency 200 single dose, then after week 200 triple dose, then next week 10 triple dose, and following week 10 triple dose, and after tested after 21 days the titers are same. So it's not the main for the getting the titers, but you can see the titles too. But the main concept of this one is the boosting the general immunity with or without the titles. And parents, they are very satisfied, and because their immune system is boosted, kids are getting less sick and less susceptible to infections, and they are using less antibiotics, and they are giving good feedback. I have a testimonial, but I don't know if it takes more time. I'm sorry. All right. And homeoprophylaxis. Dr. Isaac Godin is here and he did so much beautiful experience he has shared. And we are following his program, which is widely used in USA to educate the immune system and address the infectious disease. And it was so nice that we are fortunate and honored to have him on our health show on April 10th, 2019, with Kathy Lemon too. And the organizations which are mostly concerned for the homeoprophylaxis is Kathy Lemons, who is the founder and director of HPWWC, the main thing about evidence and related, and Kate Wood from Free Healthy Children International, and Silla Watcott Real Immunity. And there is another announcement that we have to protect homeopathy in USA. So I request everyone, please provide your petition, sign in at homeopathychoice.org. And thank you to Kathy Lemon and HPWWC committee, and thank you for all your presence, and thank you all.